94 through town here, but visibility is very poor with heavy snow still coming down, combining with some strong gusty winds. The morning commute not looking so good. We're seeing that heavy snow, blowing snow along with that gusty wind. In fact, some area roads are closing. Again, Jordan talked about it just a little bit ago. I-29 now closed from Fargo to the South Dakota state line, and I-94 remains closed from Fargo to Bismarck. Here's the latest on satellite and radar as we're continuing to see some heavy bands of snow. Good news is the center of low pressure down towards Aberdeen, South Dakota is pulling in a little bit of drier air, so there will be some breaks in the snowfall now across the southern Red River Valley. Still snowing heavily out towards Bismarck and continuing to see these darker blue heavy bands sitting right through the metro from Maple River, Castleton, Horace, up to Harwood, all the way into places like Ulen, Minnesota as well, seeing that heavy snow. But the darker blue, you see that heaviest band here now moving through North Fargo, headed towards Castleton and Harwood as well. Castleton already received a viewer report from a gentleman in Castleton of 7 inches of snow so far today. Visibility quarter mile in Fargo remains at 0 in Oaks, 3/4 of a mile in Jamestown, Detroit Lakes, and Fergus Falls, half a mile in Alexandria. Much better, not only visibility, but conditions wise across the northern valley. Not as much wind, no snow, much better. Gusts to 33 miles per hour now here in Fargo, 41 in Oaks. You can see it there at the bottom of your screen. Aberdeen, recent gust to 44 miles per hour. That's definitely enough to create some blowing and drifting snow. Very poor visibility this morning. And temperatures, we've got a big range in temperatures. Coldest where the snow is not falling, 3 in Langdon, where the cloud cover is thicker and the snow has been heavier. Temperatures are a little bit warmer because cloud cover acts as an insulator. 28 degrees in Wadena, 18 here in Fargo. And temperatures will be falling for the rest of the day as that snow continues to move through, gradually tapering off by around the lunchtime hour here in Fargo, becoming much lighter, but it's going to remain gusty as well. Fargo expecting that snow to hang on by the lunchtime hour and then improve. So here's what it looks like in your hour by hour forecast. We'll continue to see some bands of heavy snow continue to work their way through, gradually diminishing in intensity and coverage from the west to the east as we head into the lunchtime hour. Still snowing for parts of the Southern Valley and Lakes Country into the mid-afternoon hours, tapering off though late afternoon, and that wind is going to stay with us. So blowing and drifting snow will remain an issue even once the snow stops falling. All right, here's a quick look at your extended forecast. Cool again tomorrow, but at least the weekend, Jordan Ashland, looking a little bit better so folks can get out and maybe do some shoveling if Mother Nature doesn't melt it all away for them.
Yeah, and we're even seeing more schools now going from 2 hours late to closing this morning because it's just not getting better out there.
It's not now.
You can tell by the live cam behind us. It looks like fog. That is blowing snow, you guys. It's just a wild Wednesday.
It really is. Okay, Summer, thank you for keeping us informed.